Welcome back another video. In this video I will show you how to edit urban filter using Lightroom mobile. Here are example photos before and after. So let's start editing. Open Lightroom mobile. First go to Light. Select Curve Adjustment. Following the steps. The link to download these presets is in the video's description. Done. Exposure to -0, -20. Contrast to +50. Then highlights down to -23. +46 shadows. -80 white. And blacks to +60. Done. Go to color. And vibrance bring to +50. Saturation down to -10. And select mix. Select red color. Way to -14. Saturation increase to -50. Luminance to +14. Then select orange color, way down to -10. Saturation to -23. And luminance to +26. Go to yellow. Way down to -100. Bring saturation to -30. And +26 luminance. Select a green color. Saturation down to -100. The same saturation value for aqua, blue, purple and magenta. Done. Go to effects. Select a split tone. Highlights value go 220 and saturation 10. And shadows way to 219 and saturation to 5. Done. Then clarity to +60. Increase DAHAS to 20. And vignette to -10. Done. And final touch go to details. Sharpening increase to 20. Then noise reduction to 35. Finish. Before and after. Now let's try it. Copy this preset to another photo. The link to download these presets is in the video's description. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget subscribe and like.